Hello everyone, how to hide negative number in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have a data, product and sales amount. So here I'm going to hide the negative sales amount. So first select the entire column, select the first cell, use the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select entire column. Then press the control 1 to open the format cell dialog box. In number tab in category, click on the custom option and here in type remove this general word. Okay, then type here 0 2 times semicolon. Okay, 2 times semicolon. After that click on OK, and that's it. Here you see your negative number is hide in your data. If you want to unhide again, same as select the entire column and press the control 1 and remove this 0 2 times semicolon and click on OK, and that's it. This is a way you can unhide also. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.